waiting here patiently for you to say that you sent him on his way. You sent him on his way. And I know you're worried, been tossing and turning, it's keeping you away, thinking it was a mistake. But it's time. You knew he was no good, had to let him go. You'll be fine. Just reach out your hand, now you got mine to hold. I'm telling you that, ooh, we were meant to be. Darling, can't you see that I'm your whole wide world and he's a drop in the ocean? Ooh, wouldn't you agree? I'm the only ship that's sailing on your sea, and he's a drop in the ocean. He's a drop in the ocean.
Because I saw you when you walked by through a blind eye and you hurt me. And though you think I came from nothing, there's more to me. And the fruit of all my labor is what I bring. Now I'm begging for affection, asking you, will you turn around? Will you turn around?
top of the world, I won't let you fall back down. Forget about the things that you heard. I will show you what love is about. And you don't have to worry about a thing. No, you don't have to worry about a thing.